So what are TikTok Spark Ads? TikTok Spark Ads are a native ad format on TikTok that enables brands to leverage organic posts that are already trending. It gives to brands choices when publishing ads, using the brand's own TikTok account or using organic posts by other content creators on TikTok. So here's how it works. An e-commerce brand reaches out to a content creator to do some user-generated content ads. And the content creator will post the videos on their personal profile and will give the e-commerce brand an authentication code or permission to make the e-commerce brand boost the ad from the creator's profile. So now the audience will see this ad by the content creator that is run by the e-commerce brand. So the e-commerce brand can control the ad spend, control whatever audience, control whatever media buying techniques, and the ad will be boosted from the creator's profile. Thus, the ad will look more authentic and it will increase the brand's revenue. For example, let's say an e-commerce brand came across an organic post by a content creator that demonstrates something in their niche, featuring their brand. The brand can then reach out to this original creator and ask permission to use the organic post as either an in-feed ad or a top view ad. So why should brands leverage TikTok Spark Ads? Spark Ads acquire the middle ground between organic content and advertising. The format and features blend in smoothly with TikTok's interface, so they don't come across the audience as ads at a first glance. And here's why your brand should look into TikTok Spark Ads as the future of social advertising. Number one, your brand will generate much more results using Spark Ads than normal TikTok advertising or paid advertising. Spark Ads are native and blend easily with the TikTok app, so they also perform better than other ad types. And a recent data came from TikTok shows that once Spark Ads are used, there is a huge boost in video engagement, like, comments, and click rate. Number two, the impact on the market is long term. So if you boost a Spark Ad from an organic ad, the views actually gets added up. And what happens is once someone views this video, if the video has 1,000 likes and then it is boosted by a Spark Ad and then it's another 1,000 likes, then it will be 2,000 likes combined. And this is crucial for people to know that this is authenticated, brand is trusted because they have a lot of likes, and thus continue their purchase cycle. Plus, Spark Ads drive the users to the creator personal profile, not the website. And this is a great opportunity to grow your brand on TikTok by having a big organic following to rely on, and this is definitely something you should consider for long. Number three, you're taking advantage of content that's already trending. That means that you're already working with proven content. Boosting popular content is a fast and a great way to maximize the potential of your brand's reach. This will also be a great tool for marketers who are not familiar yet with TikTok ads. Aside from these content benefits, TikTok ads targeting tool will serve you very well. It's not just the expanded reach that you'll get, but a targeted focus to help you hone in your target market. That way you're reaching to online users who fall under your avatar or your target customer needs. So how do Spark Ads work? One of the best TikTok ads Spark Ads feature is how the brands get to see the type of UGC that is generating traffic and engagement. Thus, it saves a lot of time of testing and verification. For example, if you see an organic post that is doing very well, then you should actually consider testing it. So what happens is with normal paid advertising, you get to actually gather a lot of content and split test them each and see what performs. And what happens is you can literally lose a lot of money along the way to find the winning ad. However, with Spark Ads, you can literally find an organic post that is doing very well, let's say over 100k views or 1 million views. So number one, it passed the verification point of that this content is actually great. It works on organic, thus it will definitely work on ads. And then you can use Spark Ads to literally boost this ad and gives it further reach and further engagement without having to split test in it. And now you're making sure you're putting all of your money in one basket that's gonna hold those ads. Because with Spark Ads, you get to choose with what posts are already doing well, and all you have to do is actually to amplify each to give it more potential. So here's how you can actually get Spark Ads working for your brand. Here's what the creator needs to do from their side. Number one, select the video that is promoted. Number two, click the three dot button beside the video. Click the three dots button below the comment video button and select ad setting. Number three, toggle the ad authorization on and agree to the terms of condition. Number four, select the ad duration that the brand asks for the campaign. Number five, click on authorize. Number six, click copy code, and this will copy the code to your clipboard. Then paste the code in the TikTok Ads Manager app. Now here's what you will need to do. Then give the the code to the brand. And here's what you as a brand need to do to actually get Spark Ads working. You receive the authorization code you got from the creator. Then you want to log in your TikTok ads dashboard, click on settings, click on assets, and select creative. Number 3, select Spark Ads tab and click apply for authorization. Number 4, paste the authorization code in the text field and click on search. Number 5, you'll literally see the TikTok video, and all you have to do is press confirm. Number 6, choose the ad sets at the campaign and the ad group level. Then choose Spark Ads next to create new and enter the name of your ad. Number 7, choose the identity of the TikTok account that you want your ad to run on. And this is where you choose the creator's account. Number 8, under the ad details section, choose TikTok post, then select the video by clicking the box in the top right corner. If the box is green, it's been selected. And all you have to do is actually click confirm. Number 9, choose the button for the call to action, then add the URL that the view will be taken to from the ad, and then click submit. And this is I know it might sound complicated, but this is a very easy process, especially if you have especially if you have relationship with the content creators and a very deep connection and a seamless with them to help you get this process up and running. We intend to use this technique for our clients, and it has been working pretty well. And this method is also known as whitelist on TikTok, specifically called Spark Ads, and you should definitely look into it because it will help you increase your brand performance by the moon. Now, if you want the $100 million UGC creative playbook, I have created, which contains literally 30 plus plug and play UGC templates you can use for your brand to increase performance, whether it's an organic or paid ads. And go ahead and click the first link description. Join my Facebook group. Once you're accepted, you will literally be automatically sent posts. So again, if you want high converting UGC templates for your brand, literally plug and play, go ahead and click the first link description to actually grab the book, which is completely for free. Click the first link description and you won't regret it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.